harder to find these animals out and about on our journey. Check out that okapi over to our right-hand side. Now, when you first see the okapi, you might think of a zebra because of the stripes on their back. I think these two might want to cross the road a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and let them have as much space as they want. They're very polite animals. They will wait for you for your permission to cross the road, even though they don't really have to. It's their. You can actually see the butt of a baby hippo. So right now, his uncle is resting his head on the back of him, and he's got his head tucked underneath his mom. He's like right on the other side of that island there. He's so much smaller than the rest of the other hippos in the water. Predators, so they only have to be fed by force about how often can I own crocodiles? And they're pregnant for about 14 to 15 months before giving birth. They do spend the majority of their day eating. Usually about 18 to 20 hours of a giraffe's day is spent eating. And they only need to sleep for about 30 minutes to an hour at night. So they're pretty much always awake and they're pretty much always eating. They're so cute. Unlike a lot of other animals, when giraffes are born, they come out looking like miniature giraffe on day one. They just have to grow into their size, really. With other animals, it's like they could be missing parts of their body, or their eyes could still be closed, or who knows what. The giraffe are just miniature giraffe. Oh, stepping all over her sister right there. Only a young male. Oh. Breeze outside. Unfortunately, the scimitar horned oryx is extinct out in the wild when they have been.
Good morning, everybody. It is actually day 4. I did not vlog day 3 because we were at Magic Kingdom and it was a lot of people. But we are at Animal Kingdom. It is our last day and we are on the Gorilla Trail. Is it Gorilla? Yeah, the Gorilla Trail. So we just did the safari ride, which we're going to do a fast pass for safari ride later on with our friends. But this is super cool. Just enjoying the nature walk, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know if you enjoyed these videos. Day 1 is up. Day 2, I'm working on it. When you see it, it will be posted. But I will update you guys later. So we are on the express train right now. Gonna go to, is it the tour on the park?
I think so. I'm not sure.
I've never been, Carrie's never been to it, so it's gonna be really fun. I'm gonna get some videos of it and hopefully y'all enjoy it.
Some B-roll.
Some B-roll. So we are at the petting zoo, and you just saw a clip of me brushing the animals, but there's a donkey. It's Shrek. It's from Shrek, I mean. It's Eddie Murphy. Isn't it Eddie Murphy, right?
Yeah, who plays it?
Yeah, so we're at the petting zoo. We're probably about to leave and then go back on the train. Just had to experience it. Alright, so we are at the Flame Tree Barbecue. mac and cheese on top of pulled pork, coleslaw, and some onion rings. Now that looks really good. So we decided to just get 2 different things and then try it. So we're gonna eat that. This was around like $40. So we're gonna eat it and then hopefully go walking and ride some rides now. So I will see you later. So we are at another trail. It's the first word I can't pronounce in a jungle trek. And this is what it looks like. Finding some animals. Jared's right there. Having the best night of his life, or best day of his life. Pretty cool. Gotta find some animals, I'll show y'all. Let's see what's in here. Probably birds. Ooh, there's birds. Oh, look at the little duckies. This actually has good lighting. This is so cool. We are at the Pandora area, and it's so like mystical. I absolutely love it. This is so cool. This is where they have the Avatar ride, but we're not gonna ride it because it's like almost a 3-hour wait. So we're just killing time until we can go on the safari ride again. But that's about it. It's so peaceful out here. I love the waterfall. Very peaceful. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed the last Disney vlog that I just uploaded. And I had a really good time. We are back at the house. We're just relaxing and everything, trying to get back into the routine. There will be a weekly ad and insert and a weekly meal plan coming up. Everything's going back the same. No more Disney vlogs, but I am so happy that I went and experienced it and videoed it just so I can remember everything. So just let me know down below if you like those videos, and let me know if you're excited about me returning back into just the routine. And I will see you guys later. Make sure you subscribe and like below. Bye, you guys.